Hello. Oh, hello. There's literally no plan for this video. Wait. Okay. All right. Okay. This is better. This is not the wrong way around. Um, I have no plans. I have no plans. I wanted to make a video, cause I just want to make a video. Um. Oh no, that was a bit too dark. All right. I'm struggling with the stress of the fact that I have my GCSEs in less than 2 months. It's pretty hard. I might even start revising yet. That's not good. Um, I can hear my bird. My hand is shaking. Is it shaking? It's because I'm holding it with my left hand. I'm weak. I'm weak. I filmed another sketchbook tour a while back. I'm too lazy. Alright, and this is a redraw of a thing. Um oh god, my bird is annoyed. He's really annoyed. I don't know where he is. He's somewhere in the house. You can Alright, yeah, he's Oi, what are you doing? Oi, oi! Hey. 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 You know, alright. I'm gonna carry on painting and talking about Poland. By the way, Polish McDonald's is better than British McDonald's. It's really good. Their chicken nuggets. I would stab myself in the foot for a chicken nugget right now. That's a lie. I really like my foot. I'd prefer not to stab it. This is such a bad video. the 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 flight I went on, it was Just Air or something. I can't remember the name, but they called their plane they called their plane an Airbus, and my friend told me to draw her like a tomato. So you know that I love this friend. She's not a tomato. Told me not to draw her like a tomato when I actually started drawing the tomato, but so what? Marshall Lee is getting eyeliner. Does Marshall Lee have eyeliner? I miss Adventure Time, man. I want it back. I want it. Oh no, oh no. This is too emo. No. 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 There we go. Yes. GCSEs suck. Donkey booty. I don't like them. That's yep. That's all I gotta say on that, man. I remember what color this t-shirt is. Oh right, yes. I'm stuck because I started this in October, and I've done barely anything. Barely anything. I think too hard about drawing good stuff, and I don't let stuff like this exist in my sketchbook. I'm gonna rub this out, and I shouldn't. I need to draw. This is why you clicked on the freaking video. I don't know where my parents are. I think they went to get a light bulb. But I'm taking this as an opportunity to film a video. Don't know what that accent was. Nada. You're a nut, by the way, if you're watching this video. You're a nut, alright? Just gotta, oh, you can't even see. I'm not good at video making at all. I should have just got a tripod. I think I have a tripod. I just don't know how to use a tripod. I don't... Alright, eat some red. Gotta take risks every once in a while, alright? Red. Grr. Sorry, when doing this to my watercolors, I would attack them. I wouldn't. I'm too scared of that. But I would be mad. So I'm sorry if I gave you anxiety for rubbing my watercolors. Taking a risk. It's just gonna be red. It's just gonna be a red risk. It's fine, because you know Bob Ross, the legend, the myth, the legend Bob Ross, he says that there's no mistakes, just happy accidents, and I will live by that from this point forward. This video is a mess. I don't even know if I'm going to edit it, because when I tried to edit my other sketchbook tour, I tried to drag the thing into the iMovie and then it wouldn't let me drag it in. So I got... No, it's a different color. It's losing. No. But anyway, it wouldn't let me drag it in, and I was really sad about it, because I just wanted to zoom in on things. That's all I want to do. I just want to zoom in on things. Like Charlotte writing. I'm gonna make myself zoom in on this. Isn't that cool? I zoomed in. I hope I zoomed in. Do I not know how to zoom anymore? Oh yeah, we're gonna make this darker. We're gonna make it darker. Because Marshall Lee is a dark boy with a crush on Prince Gumball. I was so happy when Princess Bubblegum and Marceline, yes, Marceline, when they kissed, my heart was complete. Oh wait, is this a spot? Oh heck, oh no. Oh no. I'm sorry if you not saw it, but it was really cute. You should see it. I don't know how you've not saw it yet. If you're not sorry, you deserved that spoiler. Okay. No, you didn't. No one deserves this spoiler. But it was the cutest thing in the world. I want more. I want to watch it over and over and over again. It was adorable. Some black in his hair. Kim. Gee, no, go away. Stop it. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Yes, stay over there. Alright. Okay. This is some nice black hair for Marshall Lee. You know, I miss Stampy Longnose, or head, or nose, or neck, I don't know. It was I always thought it was Stampy Longnose, but I remember looking it up, and then it was like Stompy. Who do you think you are? Do you pay rent? No, you don't, so don't eat my... Stop it. No. Stampy Long. I'm trying to talk about Minecraft. Stop it. Stop. Okay, I might have to cut this video now. I don't know if it will ever see the light of day. Because... Oi! Stop it. Wait. You're an egg. But not a good egg. You're a bad egg. Alright, Kimchi. He was named after the drag queen because I love Kimchi. I want season 11 RuPaul, please. What else can I talk about? You know, I love Creepshow art. I love her videos, and I'd love to make videos. I don't know. I just want to rant to the internet. And when I do that on long texts, or like, what? long worded essays about it, is no one will watch it. But with this, people can watch it while they draw, and it's good. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, you ask me. Stop it! Stop it! No, go away. Go away from my art supplies. You egg. No. That. It's dry. Well, not the hair or anything else for that matter, but that's dried. Squeeze. Oh. Frick. Oh no. There we go. Oh yeah. Some girls in my school recently made a YouTube channel. And it's really good. I really like it. I'm like their biggest fan. And I don't even think they know of my existence. But it's really good, and it's inspired me to like edit videos because I like doing that. But I don't know how to drag their videos in like the most basic part. I don't know how to do it. I feel like a grandma. I would love to be a granddad. Like I'd love to be an old man. I don't know. I just would love to do it. Would you stop? Okay. Oh, he has an Instagram, by the way, if anyone wants to follow it. I wouldn't recommend. He's a bit lame. He's a bit of a loser, but yeah, you should follow it if you like cockatiels, I guess. He acts like an entitled, he just acts entitled. I'm not gonna finish that sentence. He's just very entitled, and he attacked this recently. I've been filming this video for a long time. I'm gonna go. Oh, I did not. Oh no, I don't know how to. Oops. Oh, is it still go? Okay. Bye. I'm waiting until it gets to 13 because it's annoying me at 53. Okay. Bye.